Yandra! That means good morning in Fijian. We are looking at the Copra Shed right here in Savusavu Town. And that is on Fiji's second largest island of Vanuatu. And right across from that is Nawi Island and the brand new marina. And if you have a yacht or super yacht and you want to come to Fiji, if you don't go to Denarau Island where our office is located, you can come right up here and put your yacht right in there, and then come over here to the main town of Savusavu. A lot of new grocery stores, a lot of great development going on there, and we can tell you all about the incredible properties that we have on Fiji's second largest island of Vanuatu. And if you don't already know, Fiji has 333 islands right here in the South Pacific, one of the only places where you can get freehold land. That's right, no land lease payments, no stamp duties, no property taxes. Am I getting your attention? Well, if you chop these down a little bit more, these rain trees, you're going to have these 180-degree views. And we're standing right now on an incredible property. It's actually a little over 2 acres, believe it or not. A lot of that does kind of slope down the hill, but there's some off the side. But this is a fixer property. You have on the other side over here, Savusavu Airport. There's Jason over there. He's getting the drone in the air, if we can do that. But really close to Savusavu Airport, and that's getting up here from the main island of Viti Levu, where we are. It's only about 45-minute flight, and if you don't like the smaller planes, you can take a bigger plane into Lambasa, and that's about an hour's flight, and driving from Lambasa here to Savusavu is about an hour and a half, and it's a really pretty drive. But you can see this, actually, you have more than 180-degree views. This is all Savusavu Bay. And for those of you who love fishing, I tell you, the fishing out here is world class. And of course, they have the diving out here. Fiji's famous for their soft coral diving. And just down the road, just down right over here, is Jean-Michel Cousteau's dive resort. Super classy place. Jacques Cousteau's son. They've said that they've gone diving all over the world, and they said that Fiji is one of their favorite places and some of the best marine life on this planet we call Earth. And so if you love that, you can do that. Also, anybody out there love Tony Robbins? You guys know who Tony Robbins is, the motivational speaker. He has a resort up here called Namale, very close by, and he does a lot of his conferences here. And so we get a lot of people from all over the world who love Tony Robbins and all the motivational speaking and empowerment and manifestations, and you can do that right here as well. And some great restaurants in town. The Surf and Turf is one of my favorites. A lot of new grocery stores and activity going on here, but you can see the bay goes all the way around. And we are on, right now, 9,378 square meters of freehold land up in Navaria Heights, overlooking Savusavu Bay, and the Copra Shed and Savusavu Town is right down there. Everything's super convenient. Airport less than 15 minutes away. And we're on a property that has a fixer here. So you guys out there who love building, and there are a lot of builders that come out to Fiji because this is a nice place for them to enjoy paradise, and they can go at their own pace and build or rehab. So I'm going to walk in. I'm just going to show you the condition because people are going to ask us what we have. And you can see a lot of lumber just sitting out here. So let's get the camera to adjust here. There we go. Look at that, moving ready. How about that? Who's ready? Wonder if the fridge has some cold beers in it. Probably not. But you can see, look, a lot of the louvers, a lot of the glass louvers are still intact. Roof actually looks pretty good, corrugated up there. And I'm going to walk around. There's actually 2 bedrooms in here. So if you think, and the floors look great, by the way, if you think you can make this work and pull everything out and keep the guts, might be doable. But I think you might want to do a little rehab work here. Yeah. All right. Anyway, so that's bedroom 1. And so that's Dua is number 1 in Fijian, and then Rua is 2. So this is bedroom Rua 2. Dua and Rua 1 and 2. There we go. And this is a second little washroom there. And yeah, we might want to polish these up a little bit. What do you think? Yeah. So big time fixer here or tear down. You have an access out to the side over here as well. But you know, bone's pretty good. if you wanted to keep it, or again, you want to put some modern structure on here. A lot of people are doing, because it's freehold property, so this could be a great full-time residence. We are getting a lot more people, especially from Canada and the US, Australia, New Zealand, and Asia, that are coming over here looking for full-time residences, moving out of the big cities, and they want this Fiji style with those beautiful tropical flowers right there that they can see every day, and then of course these amazing views. Some people just want the holiday home, and a lot of people now looking for Airbnb rental properties where they can have 1 or 2 units or 3 or 4 units, which you could easily do up here and have these spectacular views, and then catch some great rental income. And we'll help you get everything set up over here too. So, you know, getting the bank account set up, getting you an attorney, accountant, and all the fun tools and tricks and toys, all those things. You know, you're going to probably want a nice car and maybe a boat, jet skis, kayaks, all that stuff we can do for you. Make it very easy. Actually, another fun thing I saw there, actually have some nice, over here, passion fruit growing. And then you can see the coconut palms over there. And then up here, right up there. Anybody know where papayas come from? Right there. Those are papayas right there, right on your land. So you get all the papayas you want for free if you buy this property. Freehold land over 2 acres overlooking Savusavu Bay. Excuse me, right here on Fiji's second largest island of Vanuatu, 333 islands in Fiji. But this one's extra special. A lot of freehold land. Just below us is the Planters Club, an iconic old club that's been around for so long. And you go in there and you get to see all the old names of the Lepers and the Whippies and the Smiths and all these iconic families that came here, many from Scotland, to come here and do shipping. And a lot of copra plantations used to be here as well, and that's where they do the coconut, dry out the coconut flesh and then ship that around the world. So that's coming back here. So, but great fertile lands here for farming as well. I know Jason and his crew out in Taviani are doing the same, but if you have a green thumb, you'll love it. And I just saw some little passion fruits, like I said, over here on the side. So we're going to get going. We hope you have an amazing day. This is a beautiful property, everybody. So if you're looking for a fixer in Savusavu, easy to get to and just stunning views overlooking Savusavu Town, which is really growing right now. And that Nawi project is going to bring a lot of extra revenue and people coming into Fiji full-time and part-time. So you have an amazing day. We say Vinaka Vakalevu. There he is. He's ready to roll. All right. See you guys later. Have an amazing day. Get over here to Fiji. We want to hang out with you. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us +679 999 2051 or on WhatsApp at +1 480 444 6688 and email us at info@professionalsfiji.com. And we're going to go head down to the Copra Shed and the captain's table and get a bite to eat and a nice couple cold beers down there. And we hope you'll join us. See you soon. Naka.